Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Google Channel for product feed affiliate traffic step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Shopify App Store link to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Google Channel and hit enter. Locate the Google Channel app from Google and click on it. Click the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to approve permissions. Read through them carefully and click Install App. Once the installation is complete, you will be directed to the Google Channel setup page. Sign in to your Google account linked to your Google Merchant Center. If you don't have a Google Merchant Center account, you'll need to create one. After signing in, connect your Google Merchant Center account with Shopify. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linkage between the accounts. Next, set up your business information as prompted. Verify that your business information matches what's in your Google Merchant account. Choose the product collections you want to sync with Google. Select any specific product settings for the channel. Review Google's policies regarding product listings and ensure compliance. Once reviewed, click on the Save button to finalize your settings. The Google Channel will now start syncing your products automatically. Check the synchronization status within the Google Channel dashboard. If there are any issues, consult the troubleshooting guide provided in the app. Monitor your Google Merchant Center account for updates on product listings. Once your products are live, you can start promoting them through affiliate traffic channels. Keep your product information updated to maintain visibility and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.